welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna try out a new art supply that I never tried out, and at the end of the video I'm gonna give you a quick review of the product, how it works. So what I'm gonna try out is these Camlin Brush Pens. So these are watercolor brush pens found all over India from Camlin brand. It has 24 different shades and are also available in 12 shades and 6 shades. So I've seen many people trying them out and I thought I should also. Actually, it's a gift from my brother for Raksha Bandhan a few weeks ago. Comparing to other brush pens, these are really affordable for rupees 350, and in online stores you get them in a huge discount. So the packet is so bright, the colors are so vibrant, I really can't wait to try them out. Let's begin with the video. So here I want to give you a quick note. This video is not sponsored, it's just my personal review to these Camlin brush pens, and I really do hope you will watch the video till end. So let me clear the table, and you can see these are the pens. So I would like to ask you, write your favorite color in the comment section below. I would like to know which one's your favorite. So my favorite one is this one, and this one is blue one. Both are so bright, I like them. So the colors are not mentioned in the pen, so I cannot tell you exactly which colors I'll be using today. So first of all, I'll be trying out various things today with these brush pens to test whether these work well. So I've taken small different sizes papers so that I can try them out. We'll try hand lettering and then painting and blending of these brush pens. So for using these brush pens, we don't require a lot of things. We require these pens, we require brushes, paper, cloth and water. So I'll fill this glass. Until then you'll be ready for the video. Let's go. everyone, so this is what we did today in the video. So if you like it, please give a like, share and subscribe to the channel. So today we tried out Camlin Brush Pens. It was my first time with it. We did some lettering and we tried blending the colors. Also we painted flowers. So now it's the review time for this brush pens. I never tried them out, and as a first impression, these brush pens are great. I really would recommend you to buy these brush pens if you are a beginner, and if you want to practice more and then try out professional ones, then you can just buy them. They are really affordable, and link is in the description box if you want to buy the product. I really promise I will practice more and put more videos on my channel with these brush pens. So I'm myself a beginner, and whatever I did today I really enjoyed. Referring to the price, it is really affordable. Other brush pens are costly, but if you want to newly try out brush pens and practice, then these are the best. These are smooth and they work great, and the colors are vibrant and the grip is great. So I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right now. Click here right now and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time again. Bye. If any questions regarding the video, write them down in the comment section below.